colleagues added tells to his Gmail by analyzing Gsuite data using GCP and a little bit of machine learning. So Gmail does a great job using machine learning to filter out all my spam. But even with my non-spam, maybe he only cares about certain messages. So when he wrote this out, he said he only cares about emails that have attachments of pictures with birds in them. Okay? I think he got too many recruiter emails, and he told them if they wanted him to read an email, they had to attach a picture bird to their email or something like that. So what did he do? He wrote an app such that every time he got a message in Gmail, that would send off a notification to Cloud PubSub, which is our message queue system. So think of it as Kafka in the cloud. So for every message, it kicks off the notification of PubSub. PubSub will call a Google Cloud function that will extract the attachments in his emails. It will call the Cloud Vision API to analyze the objects in. It gets all the labels back, and if bird is one of the labels, then he will call the Gmail API to star that message without running any kind of code. When he logs into his Gmail, some of his email will have stars next to it. So that's one example of adding custom intelligence to Gmail. And then there's here's a link to find out how you can forward Gmail up, and here's a link to tell you how PubSub can call a cloud function. Then here's a blog post, and then here's the GitHub repo for his code sample, so you can take a look at it.